after we finish coloring up the trees and the lawn area, let's see, if we turn on or make the trees visible, it looks like the lawn is not visible, right? If we take the tree and put it below the lawn, now the tree is not visible. So just like Illustrator, whatever's on top is going to stay on top. You can manipulate this thing so that maybe we take the tree layer and see where it says opacity. We could change this thing, bring it down to, I don't know, 40, 90, 50 or something like that. And now it's like a trace paper. It's a translucent sheet that you made this tree layer into something a little bit transparent so you can see what's underneath. The disadvantage of that is that now you change the color of your tree layer. If you really wanted that darker green, you don't have it anymore. You made it into a light faded thing. So maybe that's not what we want to do. We'll keep that as 100. But instead, we can go to the tree layer, and where it says normal right here, go to multiply. So instead of normal, which is, you know, it's like a layer on layer on layer you can't see through. If you get it to multiply, then it's basically taking all those images and kind of combining it together. If you do that, you'll see both the tree layer and the lawn layer. The layer 0 we're really not using. I mean, I just made the copy of it, or I made a copy from the layer 0, the original layer, the original background layer, just in case I screwed up on these and I needed to go back to this one. That's why I kept it. Because if I kept this, I could have thrown these away and redid this whole thing, right? So right now, if I don't need the layer, I could take this and delete it just by click and dragging it into the trash can, and layer 0 is gone. And all I'm left is with layer tree and lawn, and it has been multiplied, so that's the image I want. And I am going to save this thing as save as, and we'll still keep it in the PSD file format, and you could name it Woodland site plan. I'm just going to say cropped. You could name it whatever you want, but as long as you know what it is, then you should be fine.